Hello everyone. Today our topic is number basis 1. Welcome back to my channel. I believe you have been enjoying the other videos. Okay, for this topic, number basis 1, we are going to be dealing with binary numbers. A binary number is a number system where a number is represented by using only two digits. We have 0 and 1, only two digits. Once we have up to 2, 3, 4, and so on, is no longer a binary number. Binary number must contain only 0 and 1. That is what make up binary number. Other bases have other numbers with them. But for today, we are actually in binary number. Now let's look at this example. Convert 45 to binary number. Also, convert 10101 base 2 to binary to base 10. Okay, look at this. I called it 10101, not 10,101. In binary number or in number basis, we don't call it as what? We call it one after the other. Now let's see. Convert 45 to binary number. Whenever a base is not given, that base is base 10. So 45, there is no base on it, so it is base 10. Therefore, we are going to convert 45 base 10 to binary number. To convert from base 10 to binary number, or from base 10 to any base, we do the division, what I call the continuous division. You keep dividing till your last number is 1. Okay, so let's say we have 45. Now, because we are converting to binary number, which is base 2 number, we are going to use 2. If we are converting to base 5, we divide by 5. Base 8, we divide by 8. But we are converting to binary number, we use 2. So divide 45. You're going to have 22. When you do your long division, you know that 2 going to 45 is 22, remainder 1. There is always a remainder 1. Because 2 times 22 is 44 plus 1 is 45. Like I said, continuous division. So I'm going to use 2 again. 2 divide 22 is going to give me 11. Remainder 0. Like I said, and number base there is always a remainder. If you feel there is no remainder, that means it is 0. Since 2 can actually divide 22 to give me 11 without a remainder, that means that remainder is 0. 2 divide 11, we have 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. 2 divide 5 is 2. That means 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 divide 2 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. That means the remainder is 0. Now we have gotten 1. You're not going to stop here. You will continue. 2 divide 1 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now looking at this, we always stop at 0. We always stop at 0. Now you take it from down up. You don't start from the beginning. If you look at my arrow, this is my start and this is my ending point. So that means 1 0 1 1 0 1 base 2. So we're done with this first one. Now let's go to the second one, which is 1 0 1 0 1 base 2 to base 10. In this method, we have so many ways to solve this particular one. But I'm going to use the one that is common, and I'm also going to make it simpler for you. Now let's see. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to do 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. If we have another base, let's assume we have base 3 or base 5. we're going to be multiplying it by their base. This 2 is gotten from the base. So if it is base 3 that is there, you're going to multiply by base by 3. If it is base 7, by 7. Base 9, by 9. Okay, base 16 by 16. We actually have that, but that's for another day. Now, when you're done with this, you don't just stop. You raise this base to the power, starting from 2. 2 is raised to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is best for you to start from the ending. Don't believe that you know it. You want to start from the beginning. Sometimes you might just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you start from 2 raised to the power of 5. So it's best to start from the ending number, and that is using your 0. So I have my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's continue. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4. Some of you will think 2 raised to the power of 4 is 8. That means 2 times 4 is 8. No. What 2 raised to the power of 4 means is this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Meaning 2 in 4 places. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 16. So this is 1 times 16. Now 0 times 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 in 3 places, which is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So we're going to write our 8. 2 raised to the power of 2. Again, 2 times 2. 2 raised to the power of 2 means 2 in 2 places. 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm going to write my 4. 2 raised to the power of 1. It means 2 in 1 place. So it's just 2. Now we have 2 raised to the power of 0. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Take note. Any number raised to the power of 0. Even if it's algebra, even if it's, once it's raised to the power of 0 is 1. But it is not degree. We're talking about raised to the power of 0. Therefore, 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Now 1 times 16 is 16. 0 times 8 is 0. So 1 times 4 is 4. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Let's add it together. 16 plus 0 give me 16. Plus 4 give me 20. Plus 0, 20. And plus 1, 21. So you're going to write 21. If you leave it like this, you're correct. You can also put base 10 in it. So I believe with this, I've simplified how to convert 45 to binary number, which is this. Like I told you, binary numbers only have digits of 1 and 0. No other digit is allowed. Then we have talked about converting from binary number to base 10, which is this. This is the method to use. In my next video, I'm going to create number bases too, and that is going to be converting from one base to another base, from one base to another base, so that you'll be sure of solving this. Whenever you meet that, you know what to do. You know that binary number is not something that is hard. So I believe you actually enjoyed this class. If you have any example or you find any topic difficult in mathematics, give me a thumbs up. Remember to put it in the comment section and I will surely reply you. Also, from this, if you can do some other work, okay, let me give you something to do. You can decide to do convert 85 or 90 to binary number. Any one you do, you can actually snap and send it to me and I'll go through it and give you your thumbs up. I believe you have enjoyed the video. Remember to like. Don't leave without liking. Also, click on the subscribe button. And remember to share the videos to other people so that they can know that mathematics is fun and it's simple. There is nothing in there. Thank you.